Hello kids and welcome back to a new video. This is teacher Farah Zuraiqi from Oxford Schools and I hope you're doing super well. Alright kids, today's lesson is grammar adjectives with ER and EST and this is part 2. Please bring your reader's notebook and we will practice pages 101 and 107. Alright, so now let's get into it. So adjectives with ER and EST. Adjectives, we add to them ER when we compare between two people, two animals, two places, and two things. Again, we add ER to adjectives to compare between two people, two animals, two places, or things. Remember, when we compare between two. But we add est when we compare to more than two. More than two people, more than two animals, more than two places, or more than two things. For example, over here, Jan is tall. Jan is tall. But Beth is more tall than Jan. So what do we say? Beth is taller than Jan. Beth is taller than Jan. Nina is the tallest friend of all. Nina is the tallest friend of all. When we compared Nina with so many and with more than two people, we added est. Nina is the tallest friend of all. All right. Now we need to write the correct word for each sentence. Beth is quieter or quietest than Nina. We're talking about two girls over here. Beth is quieter or quietest than Nina. Yes, we're talking about two girls. Excellent. So we add the adjective with ER. Beth is quieter than Nina. Jan is the quieter or quietest person of all. We're comparing one girl to all people. So we're comparing more than two. So what do we add to the adjective? Yes, est. So Jan is the quietest person of all. Nina has shorter or shortest hair than Jan. Again, we're comparing the hair of these two girls. So we say Nina has shorter hair than Jan. Shorter. Number 4. Jan has longer or longest hair in the class. We're talking about the most long. Excellent. So Jan has the longest hair in the class. Jan has smaller or smallest dog than Nina. Again, we're comparing the size of this dog of these two girls. So Jan has a smaller dog than Nina. Excellent job. Now let's move to page 107. First of all, we're going to talk about the article we use before words. So draw a line under the word in the brackets that correctly completes each sentence. Here's a quick reminder. If the word starts with a consonant, we use a, like a man. The M is a consonant. This is why, therefore, we use a, not an. But if the word starts with a vowel, we use an, like an airplane. Again, if the word starts with a consonant, we use a before the word. And if the word starts with an article with a vowel like a over here, I, U, O, E, we use an. Number 1. Louis is a or an pal. Pal, the P. Pal starts with a P and the P is a consonant. So Louis is a or an. Again, it's a consonant, so what do we use? A. Excellent job. Louis is a pal. Number 2. He goes on a or an airplane to visit George. Airplane starts with a vowel. So we use an to suit this vowel. So he goes on an airplane to visit George. George cleans a or an attic upstairs. Attic. It started with a vowel. Therefore, we're going to use an. George cleans an attic upstairs. Louis stays for a or an week. Week started with W. W is a consonant, so therefore we're going to use a week. Excellent job. The boys play in an park or the park. The P is a consonant, therefore we're not going to use an, and we're going to use the park. The boys play in the park. Now we need to write the correct word for each sentence. The pond is deeper or deepest than the pool. Remember, we're comparing between two things, the pond and the pool. So what do we use? An adjective with er. Excellent. The pond is deeper than the pool. Louis is the faster swimmer of all, or the fastest. Since we're comparing Louis with so many swimmers, we're going to use an adjective with est. Louis is the fastest swimmer of all. A. Monday was warmer or warmest than Sunday. Monday was warmer or warmest than Sunday. Since we're comparing 2 days, we're going to add er to the adjective and say Monday was warmer than Sunday. January was the colder or coldest month of the year. So over here we're talking about the month and comparing it with all months of the year, as in more than two. So we use an adjective with est. January was the coldest month of the year. 10. George is older or oldest than Louis. George is older or oldest than Louis. We're talking about two boys over here, and we're going to use older, an adjective with er. Excellent job. George is older than Louis. Alright kids, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I love you so much.